So today I'll be sharing with you guys the latest update on UK healthcare job with visa sponsorship. For those of you on healthcare job with visa sponsorship visa, this is a good one. The UK government have been listening to all of your complaints. Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. On this channel, I talk about my life here in the UK, what is happening around me, and I share information. On this channel, I also do reaction videos. So if this content sounds like what you will be interested in, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I post any new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. Well, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the latest update on UK healthcare job with visa sponsorship. For those of you that don't know, in fact, I think most people know, if a licensed company visa is being revoked, that the staff, that means the carer or the sponsorship, have 60 days to look for job with visa sponsorship. If not, the person will be sent back to his or her own home country. Now, so many persons have been complaining. There was like, what's it called? Petition, there was like request email. I think I made a couple of videos on that for people who are on a sponsorship to keep filling forms saying that the UK government should, reconsider that if a company license should be revoked, that blame or the problem should be on the sponsor and not on the staff that is being sponsored, because it's not fair that you left your home country only for you to come to the UK and the company license is being revoked. For them to deport you, that's not fair. For them to send you back to your home country, that's not fair. For them to give you just 60 days to look for a job with visa sponsorship, that's not fair. Even some union helped out, like Unison, and that is why I always encourage people to join Unison or to join any union of their choice. If you're a healthcare assistant, you've been watching my video, I'm sure you must have seen one or two videos where I always say join a union. So fast forward to what I was saying. So this union helped in pushing out to the UK government that they should stop sending carers back after 60 days. That is not fair. And some of you must have been hearing rumors saying that there's no more, sending back healthcare assistant to their home country after 60 days, like deporting healthcare assistant, giving them just 60 days to stay in the country if they've not gotten any sponsorship. What I am trying to say is that if you're watching this video and your company license is being revoked, there's high chances that you will not be going back to your home country. There's a new rules on this issue. So this is a good one because it has been affecting so many healthcare workers and so many persons have been panicking. So it's so sad that in the past, those persons that their company visa license has been revoked, they had to send them back to their home country after 60 days if they were not able to get a company that will sponsor them. But this time around, so many things has changed. So if you're in the UK and you're still struggling with your care company, you're panicking that there's no job, you're panicking that they might revoke their license, they'll send you back to your home country, worry no more. Before I'll go further what it says on the government website, today's video is being sponsored. So guys, today's video is sponsored by Babala's bag. So I'll be unboxing this Louis Vuitton bag that was sent to me. I'll do a quick unboxing with you guys. For those of you interested in this LV, go check them out. So this is what the bag looks like. Well packaged. So this is what is inside. It comes with this cards. Put it back. And this for those of you wanting to like package the box to gift someone. I'll put it back. So voila, here is the bag. So this is what the bag looks like, guys. Can you guys see the bag? Can you guys see? Well, Babala bags specialize in producing high quality leather bags. Depending on any type of bag you want, if you want any type of branded bag, they make the copies. So if you want any bag, all you need to do is to click on the link which I'm going to leave down below to check them out. So this is what their website looks like. They have a lot on their website. They have a lot of beautiful bags on their website, so check them out. So it comes with this handle. Okay, I think it's 2, 1, 2. So let me just use this chain one and see what it looks like. Ooh, guys, this bag is so beautiful. I love it. So if you want one of this, check them out. So let me show you guys what the inside looks like. This is what the inside looks like. It's very neat. The finishing is something else. So if you're looking for that affordable leather bags, check out Babala bags. I love this bag. It's giving me all that it should give me. In fact, this bag is 10 over 10. I love it. Will you prefer the chain bag or the leather bag? Let me try the leather bag for you guys. So this is the leather handle. Voila guys, whichever one you prefer, go and check them out. So I'll be leaving the link to this product on the description below for easy access. Go check them out. I am sure you'll like it. So fast forward to those persons who their company license is being revoked, or those persons that are worried that, oh, if my company license is being revoked, what will I do, or what will happen? I know some of you must have been hearing rumor about it that if your company license is being revoked, you can still stay in the UK. The truth is that yes, there's hope. Where it says on the government website that support offered to international ASC workers whose employer sponsor license has been revoked. So it went forward as saying, like I said, this is on the government website. It says this document outlined the purpose and scope of the regional support offered to adult social care ASC workers who are working in England. This is for England only, on the health and care worker visa, and have been affected by their employer sponsor license being revoked. It also provides contact details for each regional mailbox and signposts. ASC provides towards support with recruitment from this pool of workers. From 2024 to 2025, the International Recruitment Regional Fund has made 16 million available to regional partnership to set up and run support offer for international recruitment to understand their right and switch employers more easily. It simply means that if your company is having issues, they have like regional support now for those of you who are healthcare assistant that your company license is being revoked. So all you need to do, anyway, I'm going to leave linked an email number to different regional support worker on the description below, just in case you know anyone that has been affected by these employers. It went further saying, across every region there is a pool of international workers already in the country who have been affected by this revocation and continue to have the right to work in the UK until their visa is officially curtailed. We encourage all international ASC workers who have been affected by a revocation to contact their regional partnership using the details below. Provider looking to their recruitment should also consider this pool of workers before recruiting from overseas. This simply means that if you are a healthcare worker and your company visa license is being revoked, you need to check out your regional pool to lay this complaint that your company visa license is being revoked. Put your name, your details, all information needed, so that if there's any company that is looking for healthcare worker with visa sponsorship, before they can recruit from outside the UK, they must check through that that pool. They must check through that regional list. If there's any worker they want, they can pick them. Meaning, if you do not have job and you also apply, your name can be in those pools. So if there's any care company that is looking for staff, they'll check through that pool and then pick the numbers of workers they want. Honestly, this is awesome. This is good. That is why I say this is good. At least they've been listening to thousands of healthcare workers complain. And you went further saying, if you are international care worker affected by a sponsor license revocation, regional support available. If your sponsor had their license revoked, support is available in your local region to help you find a new employer in the sector. This support can include advice and guidance, help understanding your visa status and employment rights, employment support, support in finding a new employer who can sponsor your visa. The next is said, help with assessing financial support if you are struggling due to job loss or unpaid wages. And then under it is said mental health and well-being support, such as burden scheme and help to assess counseling. Who can access this support? Support is available for international care workers or senior care workers in England on health and care worker visa whose employment have had their sponsorship license revoked. Other care workers or senior care workers in England on health and care worker visa who want to find alternative employment in care can access support. Are you guys hearing this? Care workers or senior care workers in England on health and care worker visa who want to find alternative employment in care can access this support. but those impacted by sponsor license revocation are currently being prioritized by the regional partnership. It simply means that if you're struggling or you're looking for a support, you can also, access this regional partnership. However, they prioritize those people their company license is being revoked. It simply means that those people that are on sponsorship that are not getting shipped, you can apply. But then again, if there's anybody their company license in your own region is being revoked, they'll obviously select or pick those ones who their company license is being revoked. So you all need to check out for a regional partnership. Under it says, note, this applies to England only, as adult social care is a devolved matter. If you live in Scotland, Wales or Northern Ireland, you should refer to your information from the relative developed administration. How you can access this support, for those of you interested, it says you must email the regional partnership in the area where you live. Contact detail can be found in the table below. So it says what you will need to include your name, the address you're currently living at, the contact detail, the name of the provider sponsoring your visa. It is important that your regional contact has the correct information about you so that they can provide the basic possible support without delay. To contact your regional partnership, these are all the regional partnership you can see on the description. Well, I'm going to attach it on the description for those of you interested. There's a lot on this article, so I just feel the need to share this because I've been sharing update on health and care worker visa, and I just feel that it's fair for me to also share this good news with you guys. If you're struggling, you're not getting shipped, email them. If your company license is being revoked, email them. So yes, this is a good news. So if you have watched this video to this very end, what do you guys think? Because at the end of the day, you'll not be going back to your home country. There's support for those of you that don't have shipped and for those of you that company license is being revoked. So yes, it's a good news. Like I said, I just feel the need to share this update with you guys. Well, with this, I've come to the end of today's video. If you find this video interesting and informative to watch, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next post. Bye guys.